In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Windows 10 run faster. We all know how frustrating it can be when your computer starts to lag or slow down. Luckily, with just a few steps, you can significantly improve your system's performance. So, let's dive right in. First, we're going to clean up some of the clutter that might be slowing your system down. Begin by navigating to the Start menu, then to Settings. From there, go to Apps and select Installed Apps. This will open a list of all the applications currently installed on your computer. Take a careful look at the list and find any programs you don't use. Select any unnecessary programs and click Uninstall. This will free up some space and reduce the load on your system. Next, it's time to manage the programs that run automatically whenever your computer starts up. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC on your keyboard to open the Task Manager. Once you've done that, navigate to the Startup tab. Here, you'll find a list of all the programs that launch when your PC starts. Right-click on any non-essential program and select Disable. This step helps in reducing the startup time and can make a notable difference in speed. Moving on, let's take care of unnecessary files occupying space on your drive. Go to the Start menu and search for Disk Cleanup and open the app. When prompted, select your system drive, which is usually the C drive. Disk Cleanup will then analyze the drive and calculate how much space you can free up. Once the analysis is complete, you'll be presented with a list of files that you can delete, including temporary files. Check the desired options to remove these expendable files. Finally, click on the Clean Up System Files button, which will perform a more thorough cleanup. It might take a few moments, but it's worth the wait as it removes unnecessary system files and gives your computer a fresh space to breathe. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should notice an improvement in your computer's speed and responsiveness. Remember, regularly maintaining your system by managing installed programs and cleaning disk space can lead to a more efficient experience. Thank you for joining me today. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more useful tips and tutorials. Until next time, happy computing!